Nau mai, kia ora. My name is Alyssa.
In Mo Aotearoa Winton School, I'm BJ. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 8th of September.
Now onto Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is hiakai,
which is te reo for hungry, as in kei te hea-kai koe. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Where's the cake? Nom 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 nom.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Into House Challenge news. Congratulations to all the participants who ate a Weet-Bix for their house yesterday and last week.
The House Cup will be awarded at this week's assembly.
A reminder about sandpit toys and sports gear being returned to the correct places at the end of lunch.
Do the right thing. Dear teachers and house captains are watching out and they're to remind you to.
Pet Day news. Logo winners have been found for 2015. A drum roll please for
Riley Wadsworth and Corey Ross Kennelly. Congratulations, ladies.
Can't wait for assembly on Friday to see the winning designs.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
No birthdays at Winton School today, but it's party time for Pink, Avicii and Wiz Khalifa.
That would be a great party. Whoop whoop!
Okay, last notice for the day. Good luck to all the Science Fair students at their interviews today.
A lot of hard work by the Year 5 and 6 students. Miss call it kia kaha.
And that's all for the Winton School news. Thanks for tuning in. Ka kite a pōpō.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay classy, Winton School.